you better come with me. Not safe for you either. Listen to me very carefully, Amelia. I will take my own chamber tonight. You're to wait up for my husband. When he comes, you will tell him that I'm taking my own bed. I'm not well. He may not disturb me. I'll turn in before he comes, and, well, should he come to me, then I will pretend to be asleep. Surely he wouldn't harm a sleeping woman. I'll do it. Good. I'd better go to bed. Miss, would you like me to brush your hair tonight? 100 strokes.